Today in this video we will talk about biogas plant for the subject renewable energy and power plant. Biogas is a clean and efficient fuel. It is a mixture of methane, CH4, carbon dioxide, CO2, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. The chief constituent of biogas is methane, 65%. This this shows the process of anaerobic digestion. Production of biogas, the biogas plant. There are types of biogas plant in usage. The fifth type of biogas plant, the floating gas holder type of biogas plant. Fifth type of biogas plant. Raw materials required. Forms of biogas listed below may be used along with water. Animal dung, poultry waste, water waste, that is husk, grass, weed, human excreta, industrial waste and domestic waste. Construction. The biogas plant is a brick and cement structure having following five sections. Mixing tank, inlet tank, digest, digester, outlet tank, and overflow tank. Working of fifth type biogas plant. The various forms of biomass are mixed with equal quantity of water in the mixing tank. This forms the slurry. The slurry is fed into the digester through the inlet chamber. When the digester is partially filled with slurry, the introduction of slurry is stopped and plant is left unused for about 2 months. During these 2 months, anaerobic bacteria present in the slurry decomposes or ferments the biomass in the presence of water. As a result of anaerobic fermentation, biogas is formed, which starts collecting in the dome of digester. Working of waste type biogas plant. The various forms of biomass are mixed with a equal quantity of water in the mixing tank. This forms the slurry. This shows the representation of fish dome type biogas plant. Advantages of fish dome type of biogas plant requires only locally and easily available material for construction, inexpensive, and it is easy to construct. Floating gas holder type of biogas plant. The floating gas holder type of biogas plant has the following chamber section: the mixing tank, digester tank, in long cement pipes, gas holder, and overflow tank. Working. Slurry is prepared in the mixing tank. The prepared slurry is fed into the inlet chamber of the digester through the inlet pipe. The plant is left unused for about 2 months and the introduction of more slurry is stopped. During this period, anaerobic fermentation of biomass takes place in the presence of water and produces biogas in the digester. Biogas is Biogas being lighter rises up and starts collecting in the gas holder. The gas holder now starts moving up. Disadvantage of floating gas holder type biogas plant: expensive. Steel drum may rust, requires regular maintenance. Advantages of biogas as fuel: high calorific value, clean fuel, no residue produced, no smoke produced, non-polluting, economical, can be supplied through pipeline, burns readily. Uses of biogas: domestic fuel for street lighting, generating of electricity. If compressed, it can replace compressed natural gas for use in vehicles. Application: a biogas bus Sweden, biogas train Amanda in Sweden. Advantages of biogas plant: reduce burden of forest and fossil fuel, produces a clean fuel, produces nutrient-rich manure for plants, controls water pollution by decomposing sewage and animal dung and human excreta. Limitation: initial cost of installation of the plant is high. Recent development. Conclusion: biogas is a clean source of energy. Biogas plants have been in operation for a long period of time, especially in rural areas around the globe. The research organization should focus on near efficient, low cost digestion design. Thank you.